Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this legendary tire treasure crab in Fish It. So if you want to know the exact location and the best gear to get this treasure crab, you can just follow my guide through this video. So first here for the location to get the treasure crab, you can just go to the Pirate Cove and then don't forget to use your bass road. Here I'm using the element road with singularity bait combo, and as for the location, I get it in this exact location in here. It's a little bit outside the Pirate Cove in front of the docks in here, and you can also just use your L Totem or luck potion to increase the odds to get the treasure crab. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.